Well, I'm back on the Buick Project 66R. I had a heck of a time trying to get this dash slid back far enough to start hooking stuff up. I finally came up with the idea of a couple jack stands, and I put some blocks of wood under the radio, and I got a couple longer bolts started. And I think I got everything kind of in place where it belongs. All the vents are hooked up. Trying to get everything back the way it was, looking at photos. One thing I do want to check is, after all that winding and bending and screwing around, I want to make sure my temp gauge is working properly. And I put some hot water in it, and it did come up to normal. So now I want to take out put some ice water in there. Let's see if it drops on down. Don't spill the water all over my motor here. I want to make sure it works before I go any farther, because that is a pain in the butt to work on. And yes, it is dropping down to cold. So I didn't wreck that. That's good. Let's see, what else did I do? I had a little trouble with my heater valve here. Before it worked smooth and fine, and then now I tried it and it wouldn't work. So I put a little grease on that lever, that little cam, and now it works perfect. And I did put a little plastic dip on that little bracket, and I got my little trim piece put on. And it's hard getting everything routed just exactly the way it was. Make sure nothing's binding and all that, but I got it pretty close, so I'm not quite bolted up yet, but I got it close enough that I can get everything connected. I still have to put my grommets through the firewall here, and I still got to put all that stuff on. I still have to make a correct set of plug wires, and I got a new set of points I'm going to throw in there. So we'll do all that. And it's just kind of the beginning. Glad to get back on it.